First, we're gonna wash our hands for at least 20-30 seconds with warm water. Okay. There. Okay. So I've already measured out our peanut butter, our 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and our egg. So we're gonna incorporate all that in this bowl. So first I'm gonna push the peanut butter in, then the cup of sugar, mix that together. And then I'm gonna crack the egg and put it inside. So we're gonna stir this up, mix it together real good, and then we'll put our batter on top of the cookie sheet that I have right here. Okay, I think it's pretty much mixed together. Okay, here's my cookie tray. Here we go. They say that they'll make maybe a dozen of cookies. We shall see. And you want to separate them maybe, I'd say, 1 inch apart, 1.5 inches apart. This way they don't ooze into each other. We're gonna make 8 of them, but it looks like it's gonna make more. But I think only 8 will fit on this cookie sheet. So after we put the cookie mix on here, we're going to put them into the oven that I preheated for 350 that has not gotten heated yet. Okay, it's now at 350, so we're gonna get these and put them in for 6 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna set the timer, 5 minutes plus 3, 8 minutes, so we'll wait and see how they come out. Okay, it's ready. Perfect. Look at that. Nice golden brown. I left them in for 8 minutes. So that's all you have to do. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg stirred together, 350 in the oven, 6 to 8 minutes, and